Philippine wealthy person Razon eyes as much as $400 million IPO assets. Manila Philippine ports and gaming-rich person Enrique Razon is weighing up launching an initial public imparting IPO, well worth as much as $400 million for his infrastructure and power-preserving organization, three resources familiar with the problem said on Tuesday. The proposed IPO for Razon's Prime Infrastructure Holdings Inc. is still at an early level, however ought to show up as soon as this year, of the resources said. Share sale proceeds could be used to fund Prime Infrastructure's Sun electricity facility that is due to have a potential of 5,003,500 megawatts (MW) mixed with a 4,000 megawatt-hours to 4,500 megawatt-hours battery energy garage system. It would be the world's biggest solar electricity facility. Equity is constantly part of the dialogue whilst speak me about fundraising options, the one-third supply stated, noting the quantity of capital required turned into too excessive for the debt or mortgage marketplace. Razon, the second richest individual inside the Philippines with a net really worth of $6.7 billion, in step with Forbes, did no longer straight away respond to a request for remark. The 62-year-old mogul constructed his fortune through casino resort organization Bloomberry and global port operator International Container Terminal Services. 2 foreign and 2 home banks could be involved in the proportion sale, stated one of the assets. The sources declined to be recognized because they had been now not accepted to talk to the media about the transaction. Earlier this month, Razon announced his acquisition of a controlling stake in a South China Sea gas field from a close ally of outgoing President Rodrigo Duterte. The Ability deal became first mentioned by way of in May. 7 businesses have indexed so far this 12 months on the Philippines bourse, even though market situations have turned out to be greater difficult. The broader Philippine Inventory Market Index has misplaced 11% thus far this year, in step with Southeast Asian neighbors, due to growing inflation and better interest prices.